Tesla Optimus isn't just getting smarter, it's getting a completely new brain. Elon Musk just confirmed that the AI5 chip design is nearly complete, and this semiconductor breakthrough could transform humanoid robots from clunky machines into smooth, intelligent helpers. We're talking 40 times more powerful than AI4. A 9-month design cycle that's rewriting the rules of chip development, and a robot brain so advanced it processes the world faster than you can blink. This is how Tesla plans to dominate the AI revolution. The 9-month revolution nobody saw coming. Elon Musk just pulled the trigger on what could become the fastest semiconductor race in human history. On X, he announced, now that the AI5 chip design is in good shape, Tesla will restart work on Dojo 3. But here's the shocking part. Musk isn't stopping at AI5. AI6 has already entered early development, with a long-term roadmap stretching to AI7, AI8, and AI9. The timeline? A 9-month design cycle. Let that sink in. In the traditional semiconductor industry, launching a new chip generation takes 18 to 24 months. Even consumer electronics giants like Apple operate on annual cycles spanning multiple years. Cutting that timeline to 9 months is almost unthinkable. Musk wrote, "Our AI5 chip design is almost done and AI6 is in early stages, but there will be AI7, AI8, AI9 aiming for a 9-month design cycle." What this really shows is that Tesla operates like a software company, even on the most rigid hardware platforms imaginable. If Musk succeeds, Tesla could open up a technological gap so wide that competitors like Waymo and chip giants like Nvidia would be forced to take notice. Speed is the ultimate weapon. In artificial intelligence, learning ability scales directly with iteration speed. A faster chip production cycle means Tesla can test, fail, and fix faster than anyone else. This compounding advantage creates a powerful economic moat. By the time competitors optimize hardware comparable to AI4, Tesla will already be moving on to AI6 or AI7. The gap in self-driving capability and robot intelligence won't be measured in years anymore. It'll be measured in stacked generations of technology. Why Optimus Gen 3 needs AI5. The most anticipated event next month is the debut of Tesla Bot Gen 3. We've gotten sneak peeks confirming this version will feature a mind-blowing design, one that might make us forget Tesla ever started building cars. I saw Optimus 3. I can tell you now, nobody will remember that Tesla ever made a car. This isn't just an update to Optimus's looks or the flexibility of its mechanical joints. Based on recent leaks and Tesla's latest moves, there's a strong chance Optimus Gen 3 will be the first version to integrate the AI5 chip, the most powerful brain Tesla has ever built. Why does AI5 matter so much for a humanoid robot? Today's AI4 already enables Tesla vehicles to process millions of visual data points in real time to drive themselves. But for a robot like Optimus, the computational demands are exponentially more complex. It doesn't just see the road. It has to interact with objects, maintain balance on uneven terrain, and perform delicate human-like hand movements. That's where AI5 comes in. 40 times more powerful than AI4. At a recent conference, Musk revealed the jaw-dropping specs. We're finalizing the design of AI5, which will be an immense jump from AI4. By some metrics, the improvement in AI5 will be 40 times better than AI4. Not 40%. 40 times. This massive performance leap is essential for Tesla's long-term vision of fully autonomous vehicles. But it's even more critical for Optimus. With performance expected to be multiple times higher than its predecessor, this chip could be the key to transforming Optimus from a flashy demo machine into a robot that can actually do real work. The latency problem solved. AI5 is designed to be the unified brain behind all of Tesla's AI-driven efforts. For Optimus, AI5 enables real-time computer vision models with ultra-low latency. One of the biggest weaknesses of today's humanoid robots isn't a lack of raw CPU power, it's that data can't move from memory to the chip fast enough. AI5 reportedly delivers 5 times the memory bandwidth of AI4, which allows Optimus to access massive machine learning models almost instantly. That means the robot no longer has those awkward pause and think moments when it encounters something unfamiliar. Instead, it reacts smoothly, continuously, and intelligently. With AI5, Optimus doesn't just see the world, it understands it instantly. Ultra-low latency allows the robot to react to sudden human movements in the most natural and safest way possible. In a previous video where Optimus catches a tennis ball, this is the easiest way to understand how AI5 works. You throw the ball, and thanks to AI5's ultra-low latency, Optimus can calculate the trajectory and extend its hand to catch it in real time, instead of being one step behind like earlier generation robots running older chips. The motion is precise, smooth, and virtually lag-free. Power without the heat. More powerful chips usually generate more heat and consume more energy. But thanks to an optimized 2nm/3 nm design, Optimus Gen 3 can carry a brain that's up to 5 times more powerful while still operating continuously for hours without overheating or rapidly draining its battery. For Tesla vehicles, AI5 will enable them to handle complex traffic situations that even human drivers sometimes struggle with. Samsung and TSMC, the manufacturing powerhouses. To make the AI5 vision a reality, Tesla has chosen two of the world's leading chip manufacturers, Samsung and TSMC. This is a highly intelligent supply chain diversification strategy designed to secure production capacity at scale. Reports suggest Samsung is going all in on producing Tesla's AI5 chips using a 2nm process at its US-based fabs. The company has reportedly accelerated hiring of highly experienced engineers to tackle the complex technical challenges involved. A 2nm process promises exceptional energy efficiency, allowing Optimus to operate longer on a single charge. Meanwhile, Taiwanese giant TSMC is believed to be responsible for the AI5 variant built on a 3nm process. Elon Musk has made no secret of his ambition to turn Tesla's in-house chip designs into the highest volume AI processors in the world. A bold statement by any measure. Today, the world depends heavily on NVIDIA for AI data centers. But with millions of Tesla vehicles already on the road and potentially millions of Optimus robots in the future, Tesla's internal demand alone could be enough to turn it into a semiconductor powerhouse. Challenging NVIDIA's throne. For years, NVIDIA has been the undisputed leader in the AI chip market. Their GPUs power some of the world's biggest AI models. But now, Tesla is stepping up to challenge NVIDIA's reign. Tesla's chips are designed specifically for their needs, unlike NVIDIA's general-purpose GPUs. This gives Tesla a massive edge when it comes to efficiency and performance. And with the recent partnership with Samsung, Tesla is scaling up production of these custom-designed chips. This move is a direct challenge to NVIDIA, and Musk is ready to compete head-on. One technical advantage: AI5 will handle the softmax operation natively in just a few steps, whereas AI4 currently requires around 40 steps in emulation mode. AI5 will also easily handle mixed precision models, a bunch of technical improvements that translate to dramatically faster performance. The bigger vision: AI, energy, and space. Musk has confirmed the roadmap goes far beyond Earthbound applications. AI4 achieves self-driving safety levels far above human. AI5 makes cars almost perfect and greatly enhances Optimus. AI6, 4 Optimus and data centers. AI7 and Dojo 3, space-based AI compute. Space-based AI compute. Let that sink in. Tesla isn't just building chips for cars and robots, they're building the infrastructure for a multi-planetary civilization. The 200,000 GPU training cluster. Musk revealed, "I think we have the most powerful training cluster in the world right now, which is over 200,000 GPUs training coherently." The facility in Memphis is already operational, and Tesla hopes to reach the million GPU level in a location near Memphis. This massive computational power is what allows Tesla to iterate so quickly on chip designs and train AI models at unprecedented scale. What this means for Optimus Gen 3. When Optimus Gen 3 launches next month with AI5 integrated, expect to see instantaneous reaction times to environmental changes, smooth, natural movements without robotic lag, human-like hand dexterity for delicate tasks, continuous learning, and improvement from every interaction, hours of operation without overheating or battery drain. The combination of advanced hardware and Tesla's software expertise creates something unprecedented. A robot brain that processes the world almost as fast as humans do. Maybe faster. The ecosystem vision. Musk's work with AI5 isn't just about cars or robots. It's part of a much bigger plan connecting all his companies. The AI5 chip could power robots building rockets at SpaceX launch sites or help with construction on Mars. If it works on Earth, it can keep a Martian base running. This is why Musk speaks about creating whole systems rather than single products. A Tesla car gathers data that improves AI. That AI powers humanoid robots. Those robots support large-scale projects. All these pieces are steps toward Musk's biggest goal, building a future that's both sustainable and ready for life beyond Earth. The race is on. Tesla's AI5 chip represents more than incremental improvement. It's a paradigm shift in how quickly technology can evolve. 9-month design cycles, 40x performance improvements, integration across vehicles, robots, and future space applications. By the time competitors catch up to AI4, Tesla will be shipping AI6. By the time they reach AI5, Tesla will be testing AI8. The gap isn't closing, it's widening. And when Optimus Gen 3 launches next month with AI5 powering its brain, we'll witness the first humanoid robot that doesn't just move like a human, it thinks almost as fast as one. The future isn't coming, it's already being built in Tesla's labs. And it runs on AI5.